This one is in from Magdalene, and they have asked, can a generator accelerate events to go further on in the direction that they wish to go, or do they need to only respond to occasions that come up? The basic question you need to ask yourself if you're a generator is, am I responding to what is showing up in my reality, or am I trying to make something happen? So it very much sounds like the person who's asking this question is really trying to make things happen, and that's really common when generators learn that they are designed to respond to what comes to them, because we have been heavily conditioned to think the formula for success is to take an idea and go and make it happen. The power comes, your power, your greatest success, your greatest easy success, if you're a generator, comes from following your strategy, and that is to respond to what is showing up. Now, it doesn't mean you can't have a clear idea or intention of where it is that you want to go. It doesn't mean you can't have a clear goal. We do need to be really clear about the things that we would most love to do, the things that would most love to bring us joy, will bring us the most joy. But in specifically looking at the generator here, if you can make peace with, settle into the idea of responding to what shows up, you will reach success. You will reach that goal with so much more ease and flow. You will be healthier. You will feel more satisfied and less frustrated than if you try and make things happen. I hope that helps. Bye for now.